Welcome to Gmail Module 1.2, Sending and Receiving Emails. In this module, we will be learning how to create an email, add attachments to that email, correct formatting for an email, sending an email, and adding a signature. So we're going to get started with creating an email. So in order to create an email, all you have to do is go up here and click Compose, and a new message box will appear. On the to line, you type the intended recipient. On the subject line, you include a brief description of what the email is about. Next is your body text. This is what this big empty area is for. If you would like to attach a file in the body of your email, you will click this paperclip icon at the bottom. Here you'll be able to locate and find the picture, the file, PDF, whatever you'd like to attach from your file explorer. So let's say the file I want is in school, in here, and I want to attach this PDF. You just click it, click open, and it'll pop up right here. Now we're going to learn about how to properly format an email. Here's a properly formatted email. First, we have the subject. This is a short sentence or even a single word that'll tell the reader what this email is about. Then you have the salutation, where you're saying hello to your recipient. Then you have the body of your email, where you will type your message. Then you have your closing, where you will basically say goodbye to the recipient. Then you have your electronic signature at the bottom. Let's learn how to create one of those. Okay, let's learn how to add an electronic signature to all of your emails. So first, we're just going to go up to this gear icon, click on that. Then we'll go to See All Settings. Okay, so if you look up here, you'll notice there's a lot of different tabs that you can navigate in the settings, but what we're interested in for right now is the general settings. So once you're in the general tab, if you scroll down almost to the bottom, you'll see signature. Now what you're going to do is click on the Create New button, and you can actually have multiple signatures. So for this one, we'll name it Owen Work. So this is the one I can use for work. Over here is where you actually format the signature. Now if you notice, there are multiple different formatting options at the bottom, such as bold, italics, underline, all of your basic functions. So if I want my name in the signature, and then say my phone number. Now one of the most important features you'll be using is the insert image. So if you click on this, you'll be able to choose an image from your drive or from your computer. Now this can be a picture of yourself, or if you have a PNG photocopy of your actual signature, you can attach it here. And insert that. Now it's really big, so if you just click on the photo and hit small, and it'll get much smaller for you. Now once we're done formatting that, if you move down, you have the option to create another one. You also have a couple settings here that you can play with. So for new emails, you can choose to not include the signature or include one of the many that you could have created here. So if I want to, same option over here for replying or forwarding. If you reply to an email, you can choose to send it every time you reply or just at the beginning. Now one important step that most people forget is you have to scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now once we go to compose an email, our signature will automatically pop up at the bottom. Now this option is not permanent, so if you decide to not include your signature in an email, you do have the option to just delete it while you're inside of the new message box.